there was an angel here and there because he had an important mission. He was told to come here to Earth and make a list with the names of all the people who hadn't been good along the year 2011. People who had been maybe a little bit lazy. So he came down and started to make the list. But after a few days, he realized it was very difficult because there were so many bad people that... So he went back to heaven and had a meeting with Saint Peter. And he said, "Oh, I have to tell you that this is very difficult. You don't really know how difficult this mission is. I have been thinking I need some help." But Saint Peter said, "I'm sorry, but we haven't got enough angels here, so you have to do it alone." So he thought for a moment and then he said, "Okay, I have an idea. Maybe I can make a list with the names of all the people who have been good. People who were not lazy. I think it will be easier and shorter. So I think I can finish the list in, let's say, 1 week." So Saint Peter thought it was a good idea, and the angel came back, returned to Earth, and started to make the list. And as promised, he had the list in 1 week. So he went back to heaven and presented the list with the names. Saint Peter read the list and said, "Oh, this is fantastic, but now you have to do something else. Now you have to write a letter to congratulate all these people on the list. Send them a letter, a congratulation letter, and something else. Maybe, do you know what else? The letter